I know we got 500 code keeping Nagaz in the house, man. We almost there, my Nagga. I'm so proud of y'all, man. I'm so proud of Drop Nation. Seth the Real and the Real family, you know what I'm saying? I'm proud of you, you know what I mean? Just for keeping the water flowing and being patient with my Nagas as we get this together, man. And to prove that we can come together for one family, for one house, shows that we can come together for everybody. Because we got 500 code keeping Nagas and we can make it easy and make it happen, man. And, these just came in, man. These just came in, man. The water is warm. Latasha Lark, another anonymous, wonderful donation. Patricia McKinney, Frank Royster, Tyrone Rivera, anonymous, Renee Brooks, Angela Edwards, Edward Tooley, Irma Lee, Paul Henley, Steve Mosley. Man, we are almost there. At the Wada, to the tribe, to the code keepers that said we want to get us there. We want to meet our goal, my Naga. We are a little more than 400 away. I mean, who's going to get us there, man? Who's going to get us there? We're almost 400 away. And this is Yapa, my Naga. It's all happening, man. You know what I'm saying? My Naga's in the building, leaving great comments. Love to Tyrone Rivera. How can I support? Because it's only right. Shalom, real one. Rakia Baker. We have to keep the code and support our nation, man. I mean, my Naga's been popping off, man, and we appreciate you. So this is just a quick drop to let you know I appreciate y'all, and we almost there. Can we get there before Shabbat? Can we get there before Shabbat, my Naga? I know we're going to get there before Shabbat. Let's get it for our bread, our Aki, Mem sauce originator, Yosef the Real. Let's get the water flowing. Let's make sure he got the pipes fixed and anything else he needs in his house to get fluid, my Naga. So his droplets, his wife, his family are straight, my Naga. And we got him there, my Naga. You got him there, my Naga. All praise to Wah. We got 500 code keeping Nagas that's willing to come together to support the cause, the tribe, and this gives us the confidence going forward that we can do it. What's next? What can we do next? 500 code keeping Nagas. Just keep $10 on deck, my Naga. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all doing a lot more than that, and I appreciate y'all. Sister Jazz, I appreciate you. Latasha, I appreciate that. But with 500 code-keeping Nagas or 5,000 code-keeping families, I mean, $1 a piece will be straight. $10 will be straight. So we never want to put ourselves in a position to be hurt. So it's all about the strength, being in the unity. To be unified, my Naga, is the ultimate secret. That's the secret for all of our success, is the unity, because we can come together, put up a little bit and make a big dip, man. Make a big drip for the drop, because this is Drop Nation. We gonna get there before Shabbat, Yosef the Real. We gonna get there before Shabbat, Yosef. We gonna get there before Shabbat, Yosef. Hop to the real ones, man. And just for a nice funny dismount, I think we got the algorithm all messed up right now, man. The algorithm went crazy. As soon as I dropped this, I apologize to my, West Coast Nagas. I did it live. We went live at like 3 o'clock in the morning, West Coast time, Team No Sleep, because there was, on that play. As soon as I dropped this great drop, love to natural by law, get in that classroom. As soon as I dropped it, it was like, it put like an extra hour on it as if it was dropped an hour earlier. Like, I've never seen them adjust the time like that. I'm like, they pushed it back an hour, you know what I'm saying? And that's just one of those mental things so that somebody can come to your video and they'll be like, oh, you got no views in an hour? Like, we don't care about this algorithm, but this is how they try to throw us off. They try to throw our mentals off. Oh, nobody's viewing. It's been an hour, So, and then, my Naga, they put us back 50 years into 1969, man. Look at all these dates, right? They got all the other dates right. I don't control the date. This is their date. This is Google's date. You know what I'm saying? It says December 31st, 1969, man. This is how we know we got them tripping. So apparently we dropped this over 50 years ago, man. 50 years, man. They playing with our timelines, my Naga. We got them slipping, man, in real time. I guess we in 1969. Are we in 1969, man? Hey, man. Shalom to the code keepers. I don't know how much longer, I'm going to be here, on this YouTube. I will be at 432thedrop.com exclusively. You see all these copyrights, coming in over anything. It could be anything. They don't care. A train going by, someone can claim, oh, that's my train. Any type of, any situation, they're going to claim it. So I'm fighting all these copyrights, man. Let's add them up. 1, 2, 3. Let's go 4, on and on and on. Oh, I had a good run right there. So I got about 4. It's all happening. I don't know how much longer, they're going to let us rock. I don't know. Everybody's sick and tired of it, man. We all getting out of here, man. That's why this is so important. This is so important to know that we got, out of all the time that we've been, dropping on YouTube, all the building that we've been doing, dang near 1,000 videos dropped, probably more than that because they took down so many. You know what I'm saying? Like we can say that we built up a team of 500, 600, 1,000, 5,000 code keeping Nagaz, 10,000 code keeping families. We can say that's what we did. We can make our departure from their platform, go exclusively to 432thedrop.com, and we could pop off and just know that we built that. And if you don't see us on YouTube, just hit us up on the site because I'll be dropping exclusively at 432thedrop.com. And yeah, man, hey, can we get there before Shabata, my Naga? I know we will. Told Texas, stand up. We are standing in solidarity with my Nagas in Texas, man, because it's Cali Street and it's Texas heart and it's all Ahab, man. We getting there before Shabata, well before Shabata. Allow Hawa to drop nation for showing up every single time and giving me the faith, my Naga, to know that we are building something that can never be replaced. We are building something unique for us, for the tribe. They're all watching us. They're all tuning in. Whatever their hearts are, whatever their intentions are, they're tuning in, my Naga. They're watching. And if you feel like you can do something better, then do it. If you out there, scoffing at anything we're doing, let me see you build your wave up. Let's see your wave, man. But this is Drop Nation. This is our wave, and we are the mem. We are that mem sauce. Love to Yosef the real. 500 code keeping Nagas. Let's get there before Shabbat. Allow Hawa to the code keepers, man. Because that means you've been proven in righteousness. You have been proven in righteousness. So you're going to spark off and transform into the light. Allow Hawa.